So I got some new earbuds. My old ones actually finally died, so I thought I might as well get these because according to ratings.com, yes, that is how you say it, these are pretty flat, which is something that I like. And I know these are like 7 months old, but this is a new channel, so thought I might as well make a video about it. So yeah, let's see the box. Well, the back of the box, because you already saw the front. And good job to Sony for the recyclable packaging. Not a lot of companies do this. Props to Sony. Alright, so it has the iPhone iPod certification, or the iPod, and the Android certification, which I did not know they had. That's Jimmy. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the sticker, which is pretty normal for, well, most items. And I'm probably gonna fast forward through this. Okay, ominous Sony box. So this has the earbuds in it, duh. So, wow, I am struggling to open this box. Stand by. Or not, okay. So, okay, it has a 3-step startup guide, always nice to see. It looks like second one's a QR code. And wow, that's not a lot of stuff. Nice. Okay, let's start with the earbud tips that I said that were pretty normal. USB-C to A cable, always nice to have a USB-C cable. And now the buds themselves, wrapped in paper and not plastic like AirPods. Maybe Apple can learn something from this, because Sony is doing a really nice job with the recyclable materials. And wow, this feels pretty nice. The matte finish on this feels really premium, and yeah, it has a great feel in the hand. And USB-C port, and wow, oh, that's a tight hinge. Oh, I like that. That's a really tight hinge. And that's a good snap, too. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. It keeps its position. Okay. I'm gonna clip that aside for now because I saw some paperwork, which I'm probably gonna need, knowing me. So I'm gonna look at the instructions, which should be in there, hopefully. So, yeah, I guess we can go through them together. Just cardboard there, I guess. Yeah, I'm not good with words, if you haven't noticed already. So, I'm thinking the first page is the instructions, because I see some diagrams on these. So, I never found the instructions, so I just scanned the QR code and downloaded the app. So let's see if these connect or if I need to charge them. Okay, let's hope. Oh, these paper things aren't paper, which I guess is pretty obvious. No pair button. Huh. Oh, that's why. Okay, I should look at the pictures more. Oh, they find it pretty quickly. Okay. Why aren't you finding them? Oh, there you are. Okay, I guess I just need to wait a bit longer. Yeah, they're connected now. Okay, so I'm done with the setup. App looks pretty basic, which is always nice. So I'm gonna test these out and be right back. So I forgot to click record. That's why if the lights look different and my voice sounds different, you know why. So yeah, overall the buds are great, pretty flat. They're really small. I'm using Pokemon cards to just show you how small they are. Surprisingly a good way to measure things. Yeah, they sound great. I stopped noticing in my ears. They feel great. The physical controls on them are really nice. You don't have to press hard. They're just kind of there. Oh, and the app has this cool EQ thing where you can EQ your buds, or they have presets. I don't usually mess around with those things, but if you want to, you can. They're there. Overall, I think they're a pretty solid pair for $100, and I would definitely recommend these to anyone. And if you want to know how they sound, this is how they sound. Alright, comment down below what you think of that sound, and just note that these are coming out of your smart fridge, your speakers, or whatever, and these are what the mics sound like.
Okay, so this one time I thought it would be a good idea to tell my viewers to like and subscribe this exact video, and I'm definitely not telling you to do that exact thing.
Okay, so whatever you think of that is whatever you think of that. That's all I have to say. If you like the video, like it. If you want to subscribe. Yeah, just go watch another video.